Well, this isn't what I expected to come back to Portugal to. Hello, beautiful people. This week has been a bit of everything. We've had snow, we've had blizzards, we've picked up the trailer for my new business venture, and we had to tow it back in the dark with no lights. That was a little bit exciting. The Defender, well, yeah, we won't talk about that. You'll see about that in a minute. Take a look at this. I'm back with the Defender, and as per normal, I've got problems. The electrics are playing up because it's been standing for 3 months over the winter, and it's been a very wet winter, so the lights aren't working properly, the locks aren't working properly. That's what you get for retrofitting central locking to an old Defender. And yeah, so today's job really is to try and put all this right before we head off to pick up the trailer tomorrow. This could be fun or not. You can probably tell from the sky we're not in Portugal, we're in the delightful UK, and guess what? It's actually been snowing. Today's the day we're going to go and pick the trailer up, and we're going to go to the beach as well. Now, I had planned that we were going to go in the Defender. I spent all day yesterday working on it, and then found last night when I went to tax it, the MOT expired 2 days ago. So, the Defender's gone back, and my mum has very kindly lent us her old Freelander to go and pick the trailer up. The only problem with the Freelander is it's 2-wheel drive, and it's snowing in Wales, which is where we're going. We're heading to Fishguard, so I think we better get a move on. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, are we ready to go?
Yes, definitely.
Well, we've just pulled over at the services on the way. We're probably about... Actually, we haven't even done 50 miles yet, but we're getting hungry. And somebody is in the back
Maybe me.
getting the picnic out.
Ow!
Because, yeah, why not?
We're stopping.
We've just changed over to using Waze as the sat-nav as well, because Google Maps was trying to take us all over the place. But Waze is pretty good. And the beauty of Waze is it tells us if there's any traffic hold-ups or anything, so hopefully that should increase the pleasure of the journey. So just picked up the trailer, and I think we're going to have to head now to a petrol station and get some air in these tyres. But it looks just the job. Bit of a respray, bit of a revamp. Yeah, perfect. So I've just discovered none of the tow bar electrics work on this car, so I've got no lights on the trailer. The tyres are also extremely perished, so we decided we're going to go back through back roads, 157 miles, and let's go now before it starts to get dark. We have just got back. It's 7 o'clock at night. We left at 8 o'clock this morning, and we've just got back, and we drove through some incredible weather, didn't we?
Yeah, we drove through blizzards, which were awesome because they're just like flickering and yeah, they're just like fireworks. But it was
I
freezing.
could hardly see where I was going, but it was awesome.
Sort of.
Yeah,
Except
apparently.
for each time that we drove somewhere, it looked like a bush.
So the trailer is back here. It's going to have a makeover soon, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I'm also really pleased to be having this fire lit because we got back and the van was 4 degrees, and yeah, I forgot to put the gas heating on the thermostat, so we're just waiting for a bit of warmth to come through here. Look at that. Perfect. Right. In the morning, we will show you the new addition, the trailer. See you soon. Well, this isn't what I expected to come back to Portugal to. We are white over. But yay, I've experienced some actual snow in England this year. Happy days.
You wanna build a snowman?
Well, this is impressive. So, as I mentioned in my last video, I bought this trailer to convert into a mobile workshop facility and to carry everything I need to do van conversions, part van conversions, modifications to vans, basically everything to do with vans. So this is the trailer, and the measurements in here are 8 foot long by 5 foot wide, with the extra space on the front for the nose cone. My plan is to take this ramp off that's on here and put a solid wall on the back, and also just put a nice door in the back as well. More secure, more convenient, and then inside, I don't know, workbench in there, toolbox and everything in there, and yeah, let's see what I can create. So day one, and we've got the back wall nicely done, and also to show you, just starting to make the door as well. So I've put a nice solid frame on the inside. There's my assistant there. Another solid frame on this side. And then obviously a heavy duty door will be going on the back. Now we're going to put an outward opening door on it so that I can carry big stuff on the inside. And next step is to get rid of the ramp and also get some wood preservative over this timber before it rains. I'm going to put some just hideous colour wood preservative on it, because the next step will be to paint the whole trailer, including the new back, in NATO green. So as you can see, the trailer is coming along nicely, and I reckon very soon I will be on the road with it, ready for my new business venture, for which I've already got quite a lot of inquiries. Actually, I've been pretty inundated, which is fantastic. Whilst we're on the subject of on the road, I would like to say a massive thank you to the people who bought off my Amazon wish list whilst I was abroad. I've only just picked up the bits and pieces. You know who you are. I'm probably not going to name names on videos, but thank you so much. And one thing with the Amazon wish list is Amazon does not give me any clue as to who you are, or any contact details for me to say thank you. So thank you. Unfortunately I can't get in touch personally because I've got no way of doing so, but it's much appreciated. Alright, I've got a trailer to continue with, so until next time, see you soon. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on beyondthevan.com. See you soon.